In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Obsidian notes quickly and easily. If you use Obsidian to organize ideas, projects, or research, exporting a note is a simple way to share it, print it, or back it up outside the app. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you know exactly what to click and what each choice means. First, open Obsidian on your desktop. The export tools we're using are available right in the desktop app interface, so make sure you're not on mobile for this walkthrough. Once Obsidian is open, navigate to the note you want to export. You can select it from your Vault's file list on the left, or use search if that's faster. When the note is active, you'll see its content in the main pane. Now look to the top right corner of the note. You'll find a three-dot menu there, sometimes called the Options or More menu. Click that to open the note-specific actions. In this menu, choose Export or Export to PDF. Depending on your setup and Obsidian version, you may see a general export option or a direct export to PDF. Either way, you're in the right place to get your note out of Obsidian. Next, choose your preferred format, PDF, markdown, or HTML. Here's a quick guide to help you decide. PDF is ideal for sharing or printing because it preserves layout and can't be easily edited by others. Markdown is best if you want a clean, editable text file you can use in other editors or version control systems. It keeps your formatting lightweight and portable. HTML works well for viewing in any web browser and is handy if you plan to post the content online. Pick the format that matches how you plan to use the note. After choosing the format, select the destination folder on your computer. This is where the exported file will be saved. It helps to pick a folder you'll remember, like your desktop or a dedicated documents folder, and give the file a clear name if prompted, so it's easy to find later. Finally, click Save to complete the export. Obsidian will generate the file in the format you selected and place it in the folder you chose. That's it. Quick, clean, and reliable. Whether you're sharing with a colleague, archiving a project, or moving content to another platform, you now have a copy of your note ready to go. Your note is now exported and ready to use outside Obsidian. Subscribe for more simple tutorials